guys, it is day 4 of my Durga Puja vlog. Today it's not morning right now, it's evening. It's around 7 right now. Yeah, no, it's around 6:30ish, as you can see. So I am planning to go to my old colony today. So yeah, I'm not carrying my camera with me, so I might just shoot few footage of the environment of Pujo, maybe in my phone only, because you know, sanitization and all, I just don't want to do that to my camera right now. So that's why I just thought I'll just carry my phone anyway, so I can shoot some of the clips or some of the moments in my phone. So that's that. What I'm planning to wear is a bit confusing right now. So I got this pants, like my father bought it for me. My mom and dad went today itself and bought it for me. So I'm planning to wear this. I'm not sure what top to wear with it. So let's see. Oops. Explosion. And I have this white shirt. This is the Dynamite one, guys, okay? It's the cutest. Let me wear this. I've already worn it. It's not new. So, but who cares? The top matters. Okay. Isn't this super cute? Oh, I just love it. It's not like an official merch or anything. I just like it. I am back once again. I came back, I went out, right? I told you guys that I went out in my colony, basically in my previous colony. I don't stay in a colony right now, but I used to stay in a colony, so I had gone there to meet my old friends and all. So now the thing is that I came back around 10:30. I just had my dinner and I sat to film this video. Now I did not do anything productive throughout the whole day today, so I was like, what should I show you guys? I don't have anything to show you guys. I'm like, then I suddenly remembered that I had asked you guys a few questions, so I just wanted to quickly answer those questions. Now the first question is asked by a fellow creator. She's also a YouTuber, she's also a blogger, and she clicks awesome self-portraits. Her name is Kajal. I think most of you guys already know her. So I just wanted to, like, because we have common circle, you know, so that's why I'm telling. Most of you guys already know her, but still I'm gonna put her Instagram and YouTube in the description box, so don't forget to check her out and show her some love and support. So she has asked me, how are you coping with the lockdown negativity vibes? So the thing I learned in the last couple of months is that to stay positive, you should keep your mind engaged and keep yourself engaged in certain work or certain activity. It does not have to be something which you are doing presently. You can adopt or you can incorporate something new in your life, because when you have like 10 different things to do in a particular day, you don't get enough time to incorporate something new which you wanted to do maybe into your schedule, because it's already packed. Now when you get that time, which actually the quarantine and the lockdown had given you ample amount of time, so I had kept myself engaged. I started learning a new language, like professionally learning a new language, so I had to like do the homeworks, study, and this and that, so it also keeps me engaged. Now I tried to make more videos, I tried to create new content. I don't know whether I was successful or I gave good content or not, that comes later, but I tried my level best to keep myself engaged and productive. So that's the thing which has kept me going and has kept me positive throughout the lockdown. And kind of I have kind of used the time which like God has blessed me with into something new and something innovative. So a time which you get is never at a loss if you don't want it to be lost, you know. So that's that. So I have kept myself positive that way. And a big part of it is like I would say some habits which I have incorporated are like waking up early, reading more, listening to music and artists which influence me a lot. And yeah, that's basically it. So the next questions are also from a fellow creator and fellow YouTuber of mine. She has also a great channel. She has amazing content. So I will also be putting her link to the channel and to her Instagram in the description box. So don't forget to check Shriji Talks. Okay, she has asked me, the first question she has asked me is, have you ever been disappointed from YouTube? Now honestly, I did not get the time to get disappointed because I knew I did not give my 100%. Now I did not upload regularly. Okay, I did not like upload good content. The quality was not good. Maybe sometimes like I was even disappointed in my work because that time I had to upload maybe for the sake of it. I did sometimes. It was like that as well. So I had that kind of a phase. So I cannot blame YouTube completely for not just pushing my work ahead and showing it and this and that, because if at a certain point when I am very like regular, when I'm consistent, and now if I'm not getting the traction I'm looking for, then I might get disappointed. I don't know. I literally started uploading very regularly in the recent few months, so I don't know the result. But apart from that, I have been tremendously disappointed on myself, but not really on YouTube. So yeah. Okay, the next question she's asked is, what's your favorite brand for cosmetics? Now I am not sure whether she meant like makeup products or beauty, like skincare products. And for makeup products, I like blindly trust Maybelline. I have been using that in like everything. Okay, in like everything, and the product is super like inexpensive and super nice. The quality is good, the consistency is good, the coverage is good. I literally love Maybelline for everything they have given in the very less budget. Okay, the next question she has asked is, have you ever been crazy for something which you couldn't purchase it yet? Now comes the crazy fangirl vibes. Now I know many people watching this video can relate it so much, but yeah, I always wanted to buy official merch, like BTS merch and some army bomb and stuff like merch and other items of BTS basically. But they're super expensive and super costly, so I don't have the money right now to buy anything. But I know maybe in some in like years ahead I will have the money to buy some BTS merch, official BTS merch, and that will be like something which I really want, and I'm really up for just someone buying that for me. If you're watching and you have a lot of money, please buy me some BTS merch. Okay. The next question is from another fellow blogger of mine. He has amazing content on Instagram, so don't forget to check him out. I will be putting his link in the description box, so don't forget to check out Rohan, also known as Mr. Peppermint. Okay, so he has asked me, what's your skincare routine? Now, one second, give me a minute. Let me bring my skincare products which I use. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you guys briefly about the products I use on my skin. Now my skin has a lot of breakout because it's sensitive, but like I have a very simple skincare routine. It's nothing huge, but I can't help the breakouts because it's my skin type, it's my body type. That's that. Okay, so I can't help that. So for removing my makeup, okay, one thing, I have a combination skin, so I avoid using anything which is very oily to my skin. So that's why everything you will see is mostly water based or gel based. So that's that. Okay, so the first thing I use for removing my makeup is this product. Garnier micellar water. I have been using, this is like maybe the 4th or 5th bottle. I have been using it and I'm loving it, because one thing is that it does not have any oil content. It has another bottle which has like, which is I guess yellow in color, and it comes in like oil based. It's like it's infused with oil. So that I had used once, but then I did not like the feel of it on my skin. So I use this plain micellar water only and I love it. So that's for removing my makeup. For sunscreen, I use Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte Gel. This is also gel based. I'm gonna show you guys the consistency and the look of it. As you guys can see, it's like pretty liquidy and it's like super gel based. So it does not have literally any color or anything. So you can see it pretty well. So it does not have any color. It's like super matte finish kind of a thing. So it's perfect for my skin. I also have been using this for a long time now and I love it. It sits on my face pretty well. So I love it. For night, why do people honk horns at night? It's what is the time right now? 11:12 at night and you are honking horn like so loudly, guys. So the night cream I use, no one will let me speak. So the night cream I'm using for 1 month right now, around 1 month, is this M Caffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Night Gel. It is also in the gel formula. The packaging is pretty nice. I like the packaging of it. So you just have to pull it like so. It has this kind of a consistency. You literally need very less amount, okay? So look at the consistency. It's also gel based. You can see basically everything is gel based, and it also blends and goes into your skin. It gets absorbed very easily. So I love the feel of it. Does not feel that I'm wearing any night cream or night gel on my skin. So that's great for me. I use an under eye cream or under eye gel, you can say, for my like dark circles and tiredness under my eyes. So I have been using this under eye gel by Aroma Magic and I'm loving it. It is also a gel consistency, if you guys did not already know. So I'm just gonna show you guys the look of it. It also gets pretty easily absorbed, if you guys did not know it yet already. Yeah, it does not. I have 3 products on this hand, okay? I have a sunscreen, I have night gel, and I have my under eye cream, and it does not feel like anything. It just feels hydrated. If you guys can see the difference, it just feels more hydrated. That's it. It does not feel anything heavy or anything. So the last product I'm gonna show you guys is this lip balm right here. This is Tender Care Protecting Lip Balm by Oriflame. It has such a nice and faint smell. It just smells so good and I love the way it feels on my lips. So that will be it for my video today. I hope you guys like this small Q&A section in this vlog today, because I did not have anything to vlog today anyway. So yeah, that's that, and I just wanted to talk to you guys. You know, sitting and talking to you guys feels so good, so I just can blabber anything I want to. So that's that, and yeah, so if you found this video interesting or maybe entertaining or whatever, like it just felt nice watching me talk, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to share this video with your friends, and also comment down below what you guys want me to try in my next vlog, in my next video coming soon. And don't forget to press that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And until the next day, bye.